You've been overlooked, overworked, and underpaid for years. You're in your latter 50s and you're tired of it. But you're looking ahead and you know that you don't have enough saved up to make it till you can get your Social Security at 67. So you're like, oh my gosh, if I had to do this another 10 years, 10 and 12 years, I'm not going to make it. So you've been out there searching. You've been praying and you're searching for a way that you can either supplement your income or you can start making enough that you can quit the job you're doing now. Or maybe you even had to retire for an unforeseen circumstances like myself. And now you're having to make a second income just to keep making ends meet. Found a proven method. It's a proven method that works, and it's called digital marketing. Digital marketing. So that I went out there, I found digital marketing, and then I had to search for the best way to learn it. And what I mean by that is, there's ample ways that you can learn how to do digital marketing. You can Google and you can watch little snippets of videos here and there and start compiling all the information. But I didn't want to spend time doing all that. I said, I want a one-stop shop that's going to show me exactly how, from start to finish, how to make that extra money online through digital marketing, because that's what they're doing out there. Okay, so I did the work for you. I found it. All right, I prayed about it. The good Lord sent it to me, and He confirmed by telling me to cast your net. When I asked Him if this was the correct training that I found, He said, cast your net. And I said, okay, that's my yes, that this is the correct training for me. And then once I found it, I did my due diligence. And I found out that it's top rated. It is a proven method of how to make money, and it's a step-by-step guide. And if you follow it, and you follow it, okay? You've got to be coachable. All right? You have to be willing to learn new skills. And I was willing because I didn't know anything about the internet or social media, how to make money using social media. So, of course, I'm going to listen to the expert. And the expert is the founder of this training that I am talking about. So you have to be coachable. You have to learn new skills. You have to make content. Okay? And, there's no way around it. You've got to make content. And that's what they're doing out there. And I'm not talking about the influencers. I'm talking about people that are making legitimate money. They're making content, which is what I'm doing by making this video. Now, there's other ways than YouTube to make money. You can make money through any social media platform. You can make it through TikTok. You can make it through Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. So if any of those platforms you use currently, maybe in your job or in your social life, then you're a step ahead of me because I didn't use any of them. But if you use any of those platforms, then when you get the training, it's going to show you what kind of content that you have to make to put on that platform to make additional income. Okay? And then you have to be consistent, meaning you have to put content out every day. Okay? Every day, you're going to put content somewhere. Now, it may not be like this. It may not be a long video like I'm making right now. It may be what they call shorts, which can be 7 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds to a minute, or a long, which is what I'm doing right now because YouTube likes long so they can advertise on them. So a long is anywhere from 8 minutes up. It can be 30 minutes, an hour, whatever. But that's what longs. And YouTube likes longs because they can advertise on them. And then once you get a good following on YouTube, on your videos, then YouTube starts paying you to put videos out there. Okay? So that's another way you're going to learn how to make money. But those are the skills those are the things that you have to be willing to do. If you're not willing to do those, then digital marketing isn't for you. Okay? So I'm telling you from the beginning, I'm not making you guess what I'm doing. I'm not making you watch the video till the end to let you know what I'm doing. I'm doing digital marketing. I'm putting it out there on the internet. Now, there are ample ways that this content will make me money. Okay? One way is I can sell the training. Okay? So the training that we get to make 100% profit off of the training. And that you won't find out there anywhere other than this training right here. And it's proven, and it's 100% profit. And what I mean is, if you invest in yourself, and you're smart enough to know that you're going to have to make an investment if you're going to start a business online. But this is the least expensive way to start a business online and be able to work from home. And you can also, once you learn the system and how to put it into place, you can work as little as 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. And so if you've got that 9-to-5 job out there right now and you want to leave it, and you can add 2 hours extra in your day right now to make it extra money, and then once you build up, you can leave your job, and then you can have financial freedom. Because once we put these videos and this content out there on certain platforms like YouTube, it's evergreen, meaning it's working all the time, 24/7 for you. And the training that you're going to invest in, the training is going to help you. We're going to build a website for you. You're going to get your own website. You're going to get your own web pages. You're going to get your own automated email system. Everything's set up for you, okay, when you purchase the training, okay? And then once you get it all in, but you're going to have to go, and we have modules that we follow to implement it. And if you can watch a screen and do exactly what they're telling you on another tab on your computer, then you can do this. And then once you get it built, or you can pay someone to do it for you, and it's not a lot of money to pay them to do it for you. But if you want to just solely, invest in the training and then do it yourself step by step, then you can do that. You set it all up, and once you're set up, you've got your own business. You're the CEO of your own business. And all you have to do is listen to the experts a couple of times a week online and ask in the community if you need help, and we'll help you in the community. Or you can ask me and I'll help you, because I've been there and done that already. All right? And so we all help each other, and it doesn't cost anything when you ask questions in the community and everything, and we'll help you for free. All right? So the investment is investing in the training. But once you purchase the training, like I said, it's yours. You're in it. It's yours forever. And you can do this at your own pace. You can come and go, but the more you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it. Just like going to a job. If you go to a job and you just sit there, you're going to get fired, because they're not going to pay you to just sit there and do nothing. So you have to do something to earn income. And that's the same way with this. You can purchase the training, but if you don't implement the training and do what they say on a daily basis and everything, you're not going to earn money. It's not going to just happen. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a true, legitimate, actual way to make extra money online. Out of your own home, without doing commuting and all of that. You don't have to listen to someone other than the experts, and they're there to encourage you and help you succeed. They're not there to tell you what to do every day. They're going to lay the groundwork and say, hey, this is what you do, Jenifer. You blah, 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 and you do it, and then you put it out there, and then as you grow and your followers come and the people are finding you, then you start earning money. And it's called earning and learning. So you can continue to learn while you're making the money. And you can't do that anywhere else. If you went and brought a brick and mortar because you wanted a bakery, and you go buy a brick and mortar, you're going to go get an SBA loan. It's going to cost you hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then you're hoping someone will come in and buy a cupcake or a pie. And they got to buy a lot of them for you to meet that that mortgage on that business and every single day. So this is not as much of a worry anxiety. I mean, there's nothing that's going to go, be any happen. I mean, if you spend, say the maximum, there's the training costs anywhere from 100, there's 100, a 300, a 600, a 900, and a $1,400 level. And the only reason that just means that there's different amounts of content you're going to learn how to do at each level. But the maximum is only $1,400. And you might think, oh my gosh, I mean, if you're thinking that's too much money to spend on an educated system, then this isn't the place for you, because you've got to spend a little bit to learn how to legitimately make money. And if they're saying something out there is free, then it's a scam, because there's nothing free out there. And you know better than that. So it's $1,400 max to learn everything you can learn about making money. And it changes all the time because the internet is a revolving door. But we're always updated on the next thing and the next way. So once you purchase the $1,400 level, you got everything. At $900, you're just missing the Spanish, because we get it in Spanish too, because there's a lot of, and you don't even have to speak Spanish to have the Spanish version. It converts everything you say in English to Spanish so that you can sell the Spanish version. Okay? But all you have to do is get one customer and you've made your $1,400 back. That's one customer that purchases their training to learn just what you're doing too. And you're telling them how to do it right now on the internet, just like I am. And all you got to do is get one customer. But say you get 4 customers in a month, 1 a week. That's $5,600. Well, after you've got that one, you've paid yourself back. So that those other 3 is money in the bank. And speaking of money in the bank, you get all the system gets set up, and when someone pays $1,400, it goes straight in your bank account. You don't even have to do anything. It's automatic. It goes straight in your bank account. I mean, it's wonderful. I mean, that is so easy. You're not having to worry. It's like direct deposited into your bank account. And there's no refunds. So once they purchase, they know if they purchase it, they're in it, they're done. That 14, so they can't get it back. And they should, they're not going to want to get it back, because they're going to want to do the same thing you're doing, and they're going to want to learn how to make that money out there. And the only way you can learn how to make money is to get training. So if you want to know more about this program and how I'm making extra money online, I can work from home in as little as 2 hours a day. I'm retired, and I can work as little as 2 hours a day. And it's wonderful, because then I can do my other things. And that's another thing that's wonderful about this program and this training in digital marketing, is you can do it from anywhere. Wherever you can take your phone and you have Wi-Fi access and you want your laptop so you can see a little bit better like me, then you can do it from anywhere. Anywhere. You can travel all around the world and still do it. And there's people around the world that are doing it. But there's not too many of us, because there's 5 billion people getting on the internet every day. 5 billion people. So there's not too many people doing it either. Because not everybody's doing it. They're getting on the internet. They're getting on there to get educated, which is what we're doing. We're educating them on how to learn digital marketing. They're getting on there to purchase products like through Amazon or Etsy or eBay or whatever. They're purchasing products. They're getting on there to advertise products. They're getting on there just to be entertained and, communicate with other people. So there's millions of ways and reasons people are getting on the internet. And it's not too crowded, and everybody can make money out there. Just think of it like a huge, huge, vast city out there where you can make city income. And you can live in a small town like me and still make a city income. And you don't have to have a degree. And you don't have to have tech skills. All you got to do is have a want, a drive, a desire, and be consistent and coachable. So if you want to know more about the training I'm doing and a legitimate way to make extra money online, all you need to do is say blueprint in the comments, and I'll get you the free blueprint. It's totally, now this is free, okay? The blueprint is free. I'm going to give it to you, and so you can make a decision on what you want to do. And it's not going to cost you anything. But if you want to make money, you're going to have to pay to get trained. But once you buy the training, you're set forever. You're set forever, and it's going to make you more money than you could have dreamed of, because once you make that one customer back, you've paid for your training.